A pricing recommendations matrix covering 5 SKUs, competitor prices checked, margin floors enforced, elasticity modeled, and revenue impact projected per product. 32% average margin, $1,321 in projected lift, ready before the Tuesday meeting.
Pricing analyst at a mid-size e-commerce retailer. Tuesday morning. 5 product categories, 3 competitors per category. Each competitor page needs to fully load before the numbers mean anything, because half of them render prices with JavaScript. One SKU takes 30 minutes. The full catalog takes the entire morning. By the time the last SKU is done, the first competitor's price has already changed. She is optimizing against a snapshot that expired 2 hours ago. Then someone asks what happens if the margin floor drops to 20%. The spreadsheet does not rerun itself. A spreadsheet formula checks one constraint at a time. An integration notifies you when a competitor changes a price, but cannot calculate what your price should be. A category-level dashboard shows averages. None of them weigh elasticity, margin floors, and seasonal adjustments together per SKU. The AI agent pulls competitor prices from live pages, runs the elasticity model against 4 quarters of sales data, and enforces every constraint before a single recommendation lands. Whether you are repricing e-commerce SKUs, balancing hotel room rates across booking channels, or benchmarking distributor parts pricing, the same structure holds. The executive summary flags the competitive position at a glance. The recommendations matrix shows each SKU. The USB-C hub goes up 8% to $37.99 because demand is inelastic, capturing 42% margin. The standing desk drops 10% to $449.99, defending share while clearing the 22% floor. Every rationale is specific to that product's competitive data. On the left, a template that guesses at a 5% reduction with no margin check. On the right, a recommendation built from live competitor prices, 4 quarters of elasticity data, and hard constraint enforcement. 1% improvement in pricing optimization yields 11% more operating profit. That 1% starts here. lasa.ai. See what competitive price optimization looks like for your catalog. Your price is optimized, your margins protected.